As we all know that this 26th day of November is the day when we celebrate the Constitution Day. So before reading the 11 fundamental duties of our Constitution, I am here to give a brief note upon the fundamental duties. The fundamental duties of citizens were added to the Constitution by the 42nd Amendment in 1976 upon the recommendation of the Swaran Singh Committee that was constituted by the government earlier that year. Originally 10 in number, the fundamental duties were increased to 11 by the 86th Amendment in 2002, which added a duty on every parent or guardian to ensure that their child or ward was provided opportunities for education between the ages of 6 and 14 years. The other fundamental duties obligate all citizens to respect the national symbols of India, including the Constitution, to cherish its heritage, preserve its composite culture, and assist in its defense. They also obligate all Indians to promote the spirit of common brotherhood, protect the environment and public property, develop scientific temper, absorb violence, and strive towards excellence in all spheres of life. In case of violation of fundamental duties enshrined in the Constitution by a citizens including President, Vice President, Speaker, Parliament members, state legislative members, etc. It amounts to contempt of the Constitution, which is punishable under Prevention of Insults to National Honor Act 1971. Supreme Court has ruled that these fundamental duties can also help the court to decide the constitutionality of a law passed by the legislature. There is a reference to such duties in international instruments such as the Universal Declaration of Human Rights and International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights. And Article 51A brings the Indian Constitution into conformity with these treaties. The fundamental duties noted in the Constitution are as follows. It shall be the duty of every citizen of India. So the fundamental duty number 1, to abide by the Constitution and respect its ideals and institutions, the national flag and the national anthem. Number 2, to cherish and follow the noble ideals which inspired our national struggle for freedom. Number 3, to uphold and protect the sovereignty, unity and integrity of the India. Number 4, to defend the country and render national service when called upon to do so. Number 5, to promote harmony and the spirit of common brotherhood amongst all the people of India, transcending religious, linguistic, and regional or sectional diversities. To renounce practices derogatory to the dignity of the women. Number 6, to value and preserve the rich heritage of our composite culture. Number 7, to protect and improve the natural environment including forests, lakes, rivers, wildlife, and to have compassion for living creatures. Number 8, to develop the scientific temper, humanism, and the spirit of inquiry and reform. And the last, who is a parent or guardian to provide opportunities for education to his child, or as the case may be, what between the age of 6 to 14 years. Thank you and have a nice day.